Once again, a simple, quick DIY 3-tab shingle repair. Just one individual tab. I'm going to show you, the viewer, how you can do it really easy. Minimal supplies, a hammer, flat bar, a shingle to throw back in its place. And without further ado, let's get into it. But first, ask one favor, smash the thumbs up button. Please make it turn blue down below. Take a second or two. I'll wait for you. Thank you for doing it. Appreciate that. It helps for the YouTube algorithm. So let's get into this 3-tab shingle repair. We are going to use the GoPro first person view, the mask on my forehead there. So first off, you get flat bar, just kind of pop these free, and they are really free. That's why they're blowing off. So you need to replace this one. You're gonna have to get that shingle tab nail out. Now you can cobble this together, a lot of people do, and then they end up having more trouble, but just fix it right the first time. It's relatively simple. You just pop in these couple nails out here. Then you're gonna wanna use a knife. I like to use a hook knife for this little portion of it. I carry both because I do so much. Just get under here, you can see in here, and hook. Don't cut the shingle under it. Pop that out here. Now here's one of my top secret tricks. Don't tell anyone, but you're gonna use this little point right here to reach in there and cut that where your knife can't get. You're gonna get it like that essentially, and just gently push up till it feels resistance. Give it a little tap. That one's cut. Same here, and that piece is out. This is a black hip and ridge, so it may be a little bigger. Yeah, it's not bad. If it is, you just trim it slightly. So we're ready to put it in. Mag Hatchet, link in description, badass. It holds your nails here like this. Makes the job a lot easier. But just an good old-fashioned hammer will do the trick. Get your tab shoved in and drive it down. Bent nails, don't do those, they'll smash your finger. Do not be that guy that forgets to re-nail what you took out or cut free. So don't forget to nail that one. Same over here. Make sure your shingle's straight. Tack it down. And don't forget the one above it. That's pretty important. Now here's one other important part. You would be surprised how often I see people screw up and forget this. Some sort of a caulking of your choice, preferably something that's not going to eat up the shingle. It does not take much, folks. Just a couple little dabs and it will hold that down so it does not blow away. And the other ones you popped free. If you don't do this, the next windstorm, you'll have those tabs blow off, I promise you. There it is. Just a couple minutes. That is in. It is covered and dry and good. You won't have a problem. Your roof will stay dry, so everything under it is good. As promised, that's a DIY for you. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, ring the bell so you're notified for more upcoming tips and tricks and how-to on the DIY playlist. Thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Until next time, be safe and see you then.